was just one of those sexy-ass Sunday nights. I was drinking ghetto blasters all by myself. My girlfriend Momo, who is way too young for me anyway, was in Missouri visiting her parents. I knew I was going to break it off with her when she got back to school, and I started thinking about all the sex that happens at every second around the world. I mean, right now, people are out there just going into each other, wearing out their knees. And I wanted to be one of them, so I said fuck it. And I went right down to the science department's big Oppenheimer pinata party. There I was, whipping out fliff like a sultan, buying everyone whatever the fuck they desired, even Trevor. Oh, shit, man. Oh, listen, for real here. You know those hot quantum girls? They were laughing. Because of me, man. Causing them pleasure was killing me. And all those string theory dudes were there, and they were way thrilled to see me. No, he was, well, anyway, imagine me. Fliff, not even counting it. And we danced. Like those people in the hyper-tight light of fried chicken commercials. I was perfect. I was important and funny and helpful and seemingly rich, and I had the body of a heavy lifter. It was like the part in the movies when the hero shows up at the end to get his hard-earned medal and all his enemies in the crowd start to shrug off their grudges as they crack slow smiles, clapping their asses off for him. Yeah! Man. But right then, a fat hippie broke into a blistering James Taylor cover, and I felt, down in my brain's heart, that the evening was about to shift into shittiness. God, the world got mean really fast. Death was hanging out, his buddies were there, hippies started pouring in, the girls were gone, and I was no one to everyone. I looked down, and I had the body of a heavy reader. It makes you wonder if I was ever cool in the first place. Then I blacked out for a bit, woke up in a bar, watching a couple of striptease falcons, hating sex, hating booze, blacked out again, woke up in a car that was Tokyo drifting everywhere. The driver was a punisher of eyes. She whistled a John Cage song and started asking me about wolves' balls. She presented a flask, and I took an oblivion-seeking slurp. Immediately, the potion made me want to fuck stuff that I had never wanted to fuck before, namely her. She might have been a Hellcat and angel, or a really patient demon, because I could maybe see the light coming out through the seams in her human costume. Blacked out again, woke up in grappler school, wolfed some cookies, and I willed myself back unconscious. Woke up for the last time back home having just hit send on a breakup email to Momo.